Hey guys, Colton Lindberg here with EXP Realty. Today we're going to be talking about renting versus buying. Alright, let's take a look. Hey guys, welcome to the computer. So we're looking at the total amount paid in rent, and we have it broken down here in years. So let's say you live in this rental for 5 years and you pay about $2,000 in rent. You would be spending in total 5 years $120,000. So this $120,000 you're paying to your landlord. That landlord's getting that money. He's living good. He's feeling nice. To you, you're basically burning this money.
It looks like you're burning money.
Yes, that's the idea.
So now we're looking at the renting versus buying calculator. You can find these on a lot of websites like NerdWallet. NerdWallet's really good. So we put in the place we live, Los Angeles. Put in the home price for a first-time home buyer. Looking probably about a condo for around $350,000. You want to put about 3% down because you're a first-time home buyer. You can put as low as the 3% or even higher if you wanted. We got mortgage interest right here, and we got the term of the loan. So this is a conservative amount, 0.3%. I've seen mortgage interest rates lower. It all kind of just depends. If you talk to a good mortgage broker, and he'll help you out. So right at that 3-year mark, this is where your home becomes cheaper than it would be if you're renting. So furthermore, we can look at this tab right here and have a return on investment calculator. You find these online. I googled it, punched in the numbers. I put in the purchase price of the property, the rate of return, which is 6%, which is average for LA, and then the amount of time we're in it. This is what we get. We get out $147,000. That's money that's actually working for you. This is money that you have control over. Instead of in renting, you have no control of that money and you're burning it. Your initial investment, which is the purchase price of the property, $350,000. After 7 years, with these numbers that are put that. So your initial investment being $3,500. After 7 years at a rate of return of 6%, we're looking at a return of $526,000 after 7 years. If you plan on living in a home for a long time, the return on investment is going to be a lot greater, and of course you'll have return on your investment. So if you're renting, short term it makes sense, but in the long run, you actually get return on your investment and your money actually works for you. So as a real estate agent, if I'm advising my clients to either rent or buy, I always ask them how long do they think they're going to stay in this place. If it's for a short period of time, renting is probably a better option. If you want to stay there for longer and you want to actually have investments work for you, then looking for homes is your best bet. Well, I'm Colton Lindberg with EXP Realty. Do me a quick favor, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about renting versus buying in the comments below. As always, have a good rest of your day. I'll see you around.